Hi, I'm Shavin James joining with the Electroive channel. Today we are going to do a really interesting 3D designing project. Today we are going to make a case for our overplay. A protective, a cool and futuristic or nice case for our overplay. So if I show our overplay to you guys, this is overplay. So I have done a customization that I can do of my own. See, you can see I have pasted my logo here, and yeah, so simply this is the overplay, and this is made by Robotic Gen Academy. If you need to join Robotic Gen Academy and create cool videos like me, or do cool robotic projects or 3D designing project, anything, join Robotic Gen Academy. So see the link below in the description and in the pinned comment. So back to the project. So when talking about 3D designs, I have done one 3D project as I can remember in this channel, the custom Lego block. In that video I have created a nice Lego block, but customized. So if you need to see it, subscribe my YouTube channel and see my past videos. So as you know, if you watch the custom Lego block, we are using Onshape 3D designing platform to design our project. So simply go to your Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge or any browser you use, and I have Onshape pinned here, or you can just search as Onshape. Onshape, and then click the first link appearing with this logo. Then go to the link. So if you don't have an account, press sign up now. And you know, when creating a we have account, we have to do some things, and I think as you are doing some tech related things, you should know how to sign up. So I'm not gonna do a tutorial how to sign up. I'll just open Onshape because I had signed in before. So here I have done some projects. Today we are talking about the overplay case. So unfortunately I had a problem with my overplay case project. I designed it very cool, and when doing customization I add a image to it. Then I need to like make it extrude and like nice. So I upload it as a DFX file and just mess up something. I don't know where I mess up. So now I can't open the bottom part of our case. So we'll go to the project and see what has happened. So when I open my overplay project, and you can see like it's just a solid thing that we have created and can't open the thing. Now you can see an error coming. Onshape encountered a problem with your last operation. If the problem persists, contact support, then a support code is here. So I'm researching about it nowadays to recover my project, but I had to do this video for you guys, so I'm doing the video anyhow. So like see this bottom case. So I measure this overplay, and then having some extra lengths and stuff, I create this bottom part to stay the case. So you can see here cutout. The cutout is for this USB port. If you can see this USB port. So, and you might be wondering what are those holes. The holes are some connectors to the top part of our lid. So this is not how it looks when I customized and do the stuff. I said I had a problem when customization it, but I had some cool colors. If you can see the corner, left bottom corner of my screen, you can see the overplay case of the overplay case colored and very nicely. So that's the bottom part of our overplay. And now I'll show the lid part. So this is our lid of the overplay case. It's just simple, not simple, but I didn't measure overplay again. I measure the bottom part and I make this little bit bigger to fit the overplay case. Overplay case's bottom part. So now you can see some connectors over here. Those connectors go to that holes in the bottom part, and this big like mid-size cutout is for the ESP32. Then this little cutout for the our OLED display, and this joint cutout with a little one and big one is for breadboard and pins, and then for the battery connector. So if you can see the overplay, here the breadboard, here the OLED display, then the ESP32, and here the battery connector. So I didn't do any customization for the lid part because I ended up like badly with the customization when doing the customization for the bottom part. So I didn't do any customization for this. So like I can add overplay lettering or my name or here and or here anyway. So, and you can see this case is nice than a normal block because I use fillet tool to make those parts nice, and then I use the chamfer tool for every single cutout to look futuristic and nice. So that's why this look nice. So I can load the other part again. Like if you saw there was nice cutout for the USB port as well. It was created by the it was like made beautiful by the chamfer tool. So if you need a full tutorial of this Onshape, comment below, then I'll bring a fully in-depth video of this Onshape website. So simply this is our overplay case. So I also did the assembly, but I can't show the assembly because I ended up bad with the bottom part when doing the customization. So if you can see this screen's little pop-up, you can see the assembled overplay case. So now I'll talk about the customization because I can't do the customization as I ended up badly with the bottom part. So when talking about the customization, I add like circuit designed picture to the bottom of the overplay case, and then I add a name tag to the overplay case, and I was planning to make this overplay case look like a car kind thing. You know, cars, formula cars and like muscular cars and stuff. So like I need to look this like a formula car or something. So like we can't create that exact same thing, but we can just add a spoiler to it and stuff. So as soon as I recover my overplay case project, I'll bring that video for you. If you need it, request below in the comment section. So this is our overplay case project. So if you need help with Onshape or anything, comment below. And this is the end of our video today, and see you guys. So if you need to join the Robotic Gen Academy, see the pinned comment or the description, and in the pinned comment and the description there's a documentation of this overplay case. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.